The plastic pan is the water tray for your tile saw. It both holds a supply of water for the saw to use while cutting, as well as catches much of the mess that is created from cutting the tile. The pan will eventually crack, either from the rigors of day-to-day use, or by accident, such as if something falls on it. Replacing the pan is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the water pump from the water tray. The tray just simply pulls away from the tile saw's base. The new tray comes with a new stopper. I'll go ahead and install it. Now I can just slide the tray into place. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the pump. And that's all it takes to install a new plastic pan on your tile saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.